Greetings, friend, and welcome. We've heard of Industry 4.0, the digital revolution of automation, IoT, and smart factories. But today, a new concept is taking shape. Industry 5.0. It's not just about machines replacing humans. It's about humans and AI working together, collaboration, not competition. But here's the twist. Industry 5.0 isn't just a business trend. It's becoming a geopolitical battleground. Nations aren't just racing to adopt generative AI, they're racing to embed it into their economies, secure their supply chains, and project power. Industry 4.0 gave us robotics, data analytics, and automation. But it still relied on human oversight. Industry 5.0 takes it further. Humans and AI co-create, designing products, running logistics, even innovating new materials. Generative AI is the catalyst. Instead of programming every step, humans set goals, and AI generates the solutions. That's not just faster, it's transformative. At first glance, Industry 5.0 sounds like management speak, but underneath lies a new global power struggle. Labor and productivity. Countries that integrate AI into their economies fastest could leapfrog productivity, cutting costs while innovating faster. Trade independence. Just as oil shaped geopolitics in the 20th century, access to GPUs, cloud compute, and generative models could define the 21st. Standards and ethics. Whoever sets the rules for how AI is used in industry, safe, fair, transparent, will shape global norms. Industry 5.0 isn't just about factories, it's about sovereignty. The US frames Industry 5.0 as innovation-driven capitalism. Silicon Valley leads with private companies, while Washington steps in with export controls and defense investments. China frames Industry 5.0 as national strategy. State-owned enterprises, universities, and startups are tightly coordinated. AI is integrated not just in factories, but in governance. Both see Industry 5.0 as the next industrial revolution, and neither wants to be left behind. Europe knows it can't outspend the US or China in chips. So it's betting on ethics and sustainability. The EU pushes the idea of Industry 5.0 as human-centric. AI should empower workers, not replace them. Enhance sustainability, not just profits. If successful, Europe could become the world's regulatory trendsetter, just as it did with GDPR and data privacy. For countries in Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia, Industry 5.0 offers a chance to leapfrog outdated systems. With the right investment, AI could transform agriculture, energy, and manufacturing. But there's a risk: dependency. If these countries rely on foreign models, cloud providers, or chips, they may become digital colonies. The challenge is building local AI capacity before dependency hardens. Generative AI in Industry 5.0 could also deepen global divides. Imagine American factories powered by NVIDIA GPUs, Chinese factories powered by Huawei chips, Europe running on ethical AI, the global South stuck negotiating between them. Instead of a unified industrial future, we may see AI blocks with separate standards, supply chains, and alliances. AI isn't just hardware and data, it's also image. Countries that lead in AI industries will export not just products, but narratives. Just as Hollywood exported American culture, Industry 5.0 may export technological culture, ways of working, norms of collaboration, and definitions of human-AI relationships. That's soft power, and it may prove as decisive as raw computing power. Industry 5.0 sounds like a buzzword, but behind it lies a massive geopolitical shift. Generative AI is no longer just a tool of creativity, it's becoming the foundation of national strategy, economic survival, and global competition. The question isn't just which companies win, it's which nations thrive, which fall behind, and whether Industry 5.0 unites us or fractures the world into competing AI empires. This is Mika Sai, and you're watching the Singularity Hub. Subscribe for more.